So dear students, now we are going to do class 11 maths exercise 1.1 sets. Name of the chapter is sets, and we have done in previous videos some two types of forms of the set, how to representation of the sets, and we represent in two forms. First was roster or table form, second was set builder form. So what is roster form or tabular? Elements must be listed like these numbers. इस तरह से लिखा जाता है और इसको डिफाइन, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन, एक्चुअली व्हाट आर दिस थिंग 1 3 5 7 9 11, ये क्या चीज़ है. सो वी विल राइट बाय द सिंगल प्रॉपर्टी. दिस सिंगल प्रॉपर्टी इज दिस x. इस नंबर को कैसे लिखेंगे? x एंड रीड एज दिस x सच दैट जो नंबर होगा x इज एन ऑड नेचुरल नंबर लेस देन 13. दीज आर द ऑड नेचुरल नंबर्स 1 3 5 7 9 11 and it is less than 13 because after this 11 13 is the odd number. So this roster form and it is set builder form. This may be written in the set builder form like that, and same process like reverse process. If it is in set builder form, it may be written as a is equal to 1 3 5 7 and 11 in the roster form. The roster form अगर ये है set builder form like definition, इसको define करेंगे and we write as set builder form. Now next is roster form. Number second example is 1 4 9 16 25. It is also natural number, but which pattern follows this? ये क्या चीज़? It is not, it is natural number and it is not even or odd. So identify this. It is the square of 1, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and 5 square. That means all the objects of the set are the natural numbers which have powers of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So powers of 2. So how to write in the set builder form? X such that x, what are these? These are the natural number, and natural number starts from 1. Natural number starts from 1. It starts from 1. 1 का square 1 and last number is 5 because 5 square equal to 5. So then how to write natural number? किसके किसके बीच में है? It must lie between 1 है 1. This means only if we make the less than, this means natural numbers lie between 1 and 5. So 1 is also here, 5 is also there. So we write here less or equal to this also. That means it must be equal to 1 and equal to 5. That means 1 is also here, 5 is here. So we write x such that x is equal to n square. So it is written in the form of set builder. So we have studied that two forms, roster and tabular. Now question number 2 is, let a is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. One set is given. Insert the appropriate symbol. Two symbols are given here. This symbol known as belongs to. We read as this belongs to. और it is written belongs to, and अगर cancel this, कट किया इसको, we read this does not belong to. इसका मतलब क्या है? 5 belongs to means this element, we check this element, it is coming in this set or not. This element 5 is here or not. अगर 5 एलिमेंट इसके भीतर है, सेट के भीतर, so we write 5 belongs to set A. So 5, see here 1 2 3 4 5 6, 5 is here, so we can write 5 belongs to A. Number second 8 element 8 is here or not? This present here or not? 8 is not here, so we write doesn't belong to. Like 0 is not here, जो नहीं होगा उसको लिखेंगे does not belong to. इसका मतलब इसके अंदर नहीं है. Now next 4 is also here, so 4 belongs to A. Element 4 is, otherwise object 4 is बिलोंगिंग टू दिस सेट ए, 4 इसके अंदर है। 2 को चेक करेंगे, 2 आल्सो हियर बिलोंग्स टू ए। 10 इज नॉट हियर, so 10 doesn't belong to A. So it is the symbol of belongs to and doesn't belong to. So now see the question number 3, and that is write the following sets in roster form. They are in set builder form. अब इसको एलिमेंट को लिखना है इन रोस्टर फॉर्म। And number 1 is set A is x such that x is an integer and -3. This integer number elements must be between -3 and 7. -3 और 7 के बीच में होना चाहिए। Like suppose if you making one number line like it is 0, -1, -2, -3 here 1. Positive numbers here 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and we have to write the numbers less than 7 से कम, that means up to 6. -3 less than x, that means x greater than -3, -3 से बड़ा। So these elements are between -3 and 7. So write here -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these elements are written in the form of roster. Number B, x such that x is a natural number. Natural number condition is less than 6. 6 से कम, less than 6, smaller than 6. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, less than 6, that means we write only up to 5. Number 3 is set C equal to x such that x is a 2-digit natural numbers such that sum of its digits is 8. 2-digit number, 2 डिजिट नंबर ऐसा लेना है जिसका सम क्या होना चाहिए, सम मस्ट बी 8. जैसे वी कैन शो हियर नेचुरल नंबर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 2 डिजिट्स. 10 से स्टार्ट होता है, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 goes up to 99. These are the 2-digit natural numbers. और इसका सम इसका आना चाहिए 8. If you write 1 plus 0 becomes 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4, but it must be 8. इसके लिए सिंपल टेक्निक है. सिंपल टेक्निक इज हियर. फर्स्ट यू राइट 1, which number added to 1 get the 8 मिलना चाहिए. तो 1 plus 7 8, 1 plus 7 8, 2 रख दिया, 3 रखा, 4 रखा, 5 6 7 8 एंड से ईयर 1 plus 7 8, 2 में 6 जोड़ेंगे 8, 3 plus 5 8, 4 plus 4 8, 5 में क्या जोड़ेंगे, if we add 3 to 5 getting 8, 6 plus 2 8 62, 7 plus 1 71 and 8 में क्या जोड़ेंगे 8 plus 0 80. So these are the numbers, 2-digit natural numbers whose sum is 8. 1 plus 7 इसको जोड़ेंगे, 1 plus 7 8, ये भी 8 हुआ, 3 plus 5 8, 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 0 8. If you write suppose 99, sum will be not 8. If you write 90, sum will not be 8. So these are the techniques to write 2-digit numbers. Set D is x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. प्राइम नंबर होना चाहिए, डिवाइजर ऑफ 60. डिवाइजर मीन्स एनी नंबर डिवाइड्स 60. 60 को कौन कौन नंबर डिवाइड करेगा, एंड नंबर्स मस्ट बी प्राइम. दैट मीन्स जस्ट लाइक 1, इफ वी डिवाइड 1 to 60 we get 60. If we take 2 into 30 60 also 2 डिवाइड करेगा 60 को, 3 भी करेगा, 3 into 20 60, 4 also 4 भी डिवाइड करेगा 60 को, मैंने 4 किसके टेबल में 16 आएगा, दैट इज द नंबर. सो 4 से करेंगे तो 15 आएगा, 5 से डिवाइड करो, 5 12 60. इफ यू टेक 6 10 जा 60, 7 नहीं होगा, 8 भी नहीं होगा, 8 doesn't divide 60, 9 doesn't divide, 10 divides 60, so 10 is here. So we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 16, 30, 20. But we should take prime number condition is here. So how many prime numbers here? Prime numbers, 1 is not prime, this is not prime, 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number. We should take only, so you should no idea about the prime numbers. Prime numbers start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, those numbers which are divided by only one itself. So such type of numbers are known as prime numbers. So we have this number 2, 3, 5. तो रोस्टर फॉर्म में ऐसे लिखते हैं, कॉमा लेकर के कर्ली ब्रैकेट में. तो दीज आर द सॉल्यूशंस अप टू पार्ट 4. नाउ नेक्स्ट. Now fifth part is set E equal to the set of letters in the word trigonometry. Trigonometry word का set बनाएंगे. We should write in the roster form. So first we check one letter must be written one time. Repetition is not allowed. So first we check T is repeated or not. T how many times? T 2 times, but we write 1 time. T. R 2 times, इसको भी लिखेंगे R. नंबर्स को रिपीट नहीं करना है. If it is coming 2, 3 or 4 times, we write only single. T R. I is only 1. G is single. O 2 times, we write 1 time. Then N 1 time. M is also single time. E also 1 time. And Y. So it is the word trigonometry is written in the form of roster. Actually it is the set builder form because definition is given and we write the elements putting the commas, so we can say it is in the roster form. Just like set F, the set of all letters in the word better. This set is E, this set is F. Better. Here one is B is not repeated. B. E is 2 times, we write 1 time. T 2 times, we write T. And R single time. So it is the answer of part 6. Set F is written in the roster form. Now question number 4 is write the following sets in the set builder form. These sets are given 1 to 5 and we should write in the set builder form. Set builder form, इसको मतलब definition लिखना है. How to define this? What is this thing? 3, 6, 9, 12. It is the natural number. तो set builder form लिखने का तरीका क्या है? We write X such that X. Actually all the objects of the set are natural number है. Here odd, here odd number, here even, odd. So actually it is the multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means 3 के टेबल में आ रहा है. देखिए 313, 326, 313, 326, 339, 3412. These are tables of 3. That means how to write multiples written in the form of 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. That means equal to 3. What is 1 2 3? It is natural number. So we write like this. 3 के टेबल में 313, 3 into 2 6, 339, 3 4 is 12. And it is actually natural number है तो n belongs to n ऐसे लिखेंगे. And किसके किसके बीच में इसका ये दिखाना पड़ेगा. एंड दिस नेचुरल नंबर किसके किसके बीच में है. सो एक्चुअली स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 एंड गोज अप टू 4 बिकॉज 3 4 is 12. तो 1 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है कहाँ तक जरा 4 तक. ये टेबल लिखेंगे तो क्लियर हो जाएगा. 3 into 1 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 9 3 4 जा 12, 3 6 9 12 given there. So these are the tables of 3 and 3 multiple of 3 we write here 3 into n is 1 2 3. So starting from 1 goes up to 4. तो 1 4 के बीच में इक्वल भी बनाएंगे. 1 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, कहाँ तक जा रहा है 4 तक. सो इट इज द solution of part 1. Now next number second, 2 4 8 16 32. ये क्या चीज़ है? You should identify this. 2 4 8 16 32. It is the 2 4. It is not continuation of the even numbers also, not tables of also 2 2 4 2 3 6. It is the power of, can you write like this, 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8, 3 times 2 power 4 16. इस तरह से if you do some other questions, so it will more clear to you. ये क्लियर हो जाएगा, प्रैक्टिस करने से समझ में आ जाएगा. 16 32 ये पैटर्न में होगा. 2 to the power 5, 2 written 5 times we get 32. इसका मतलब ये 2 के पावर में है. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So outright answer x such that x equal to outright. Whose power this? 2 2. Yeah, we write 2. And in the multiple actually it is going to be multiplied here, but here not multiplication, it is the power. So we write in the shape of powers. The what are powers? Power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5. That means these 1 2 3 4 5, what are these? They are natural numbers. तो x is equal to 2 to the power n and n belongs to, ऐसे लिखेंगे इसको नेचुरल नंबर. एंड अब इसका लिखेंगे लिमिटेशन, किसके किसके बीच में आएगा ये. तो दिस n स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम, यहाँ लेस देन बनाएंगे. इट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम यू सी हियर 1, तो 1 लेस देन आर इक्वल टू, इसका मतलब 1 भी है. 1 लेस देन n, 1 लेस देन n का मतलब क्या है? n ग्रेटर देन 1, n ग्रेटर देन 1, n 1 से भी बड़ा है, 1 भी है, तो इक्वल बनाएंगे. यहाँ इक्वल टू गोज अप टू 5. सो इट इज द solution of part second. Now see 3 5 25 1 25 6 25. ये भी देखने से पता लग जाएगा. If you see properly this 5 का टेबल भी नहीं है, ये भी 5 का पावर है. 5 पावर 1 5 पावर 2 5 into 5 25, 5 power cube 5 3 times we get 125, 5 4 times, so it becomes 625. So it is the powers of 5, set of all the objects having powers of 5, yes, 5 power 1. So we write here x such that x equal to, it is 5 and power 1 2 3 4. These are the natural numbers. We write here 5 power n belongs to n, we write here. And these natural numbers lie between starting from 1 is also there equal to, and here goes up to 4, powers goes up to 4, here less than. So it is coming, इसको लिखेंगे n, here starting from 1 goes up to 4. It is the solution of 3. Now 4 2 4 6. Define this. What is 2 4 6? All are natural numbers, but which type of natural numbers? These are even numbers. Even number starting from 2 4 6 8. So we write here this set x such that x, but there is no limitation here, there is no ending. So we write x such that x. How to write this? X is an even natural number. We cannot write like above criteria because there is no here, no pattern getting here. केवल ये और इवन नंबर्स है, नेचुरल है उसमें इवन है, तो वी राइट x such that x is an even natural number. And now next and last is number 5. Let e equal to now part 5 is this set is 1, 4, 9 and so on up to 100. 1, 4, 9 to 100. So how to define this? 1, 4, 9. What is 1? 1 के बाद आ रहा है 4, 4 के बाद 9. So which type of pattern is getting here? If we do 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, this type of pattern, and 1 is square. 1 is square is equal to 1, 2 is square 2 to 4, 3 square 3 3 9, and last is 100. So 100 how to get to 10 10 100. That means here 16, 25, 64. That type number become there, and this 10 square equal to 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So see the pattern here. How to write this? X such that x equal to, कैसे लिखेंगे इसको? The objects of all the set are, now see here, these are natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So natural number is denoted as n. And powers are 2. Power square is square is square. So we write square. Check once again. What is the element? Starting 1 is square 1, 2 is square 4, 3 is square 9. Pattern is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last is 10. So 1, 2, 3 up to 10. These are known as natural numbers. Natural numbers symbol is n. And power is square, 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 square. So we write here n belongs to natural number, and limitation what we write? Natural number किसके किसके बीच में है? And this natural number is starting from 1, natural number is starting from 1 and goes up to this 10. It is 10 and also less and less because 1 is also included here. So it is the answer of the part 5. So remaining questions students you can do 5 and 6.